Vanakkam, I am Lakshmi Annamalai. This is Varalakshmi, a painting inspired by the visuals and knowledge shared by our mentor Balaji Srinivasan during our Chitra Prakaranam sessions. Once, while discussing prehistoric forms of worship, we discussed Visiripare, which is believed to be a form of Devi worship, Mother Goddess worship. It is reminiscent of a seated figure and also a kalasam or a Purna Kumbham. It also looked like a tree and its roots to me. At another instance, we discussed the kalasam, the Purna Kumbham or the pot of plenty. It is usually a pot filled with water or sometimes other auspicious things. Leaves are placed over it. In the south of India, usually mango leaves are placed over it and a coconut is placed on top. During Varalakshmi Nombu, Lakshmi's face is kept over the coconut and the vastram is tied to the pot. The form of the kalasam itself looks like Lakshmi seated on a lotus with her four hands and a crown. And the conversation moved to Shri's iconography, that is Srivatsam, uh, the form which is found in temples like Siyamangalam and Uttaramerur. The Srivatsam is was shown as a crowned figure seated on a lotus wearing Sannaveeram. The limbs are not fully formed. They look like roots or shoots actually. And the Srivatsam is flanked by crocodiles, which represent the ocean, or sometimes it's flanked by elephants showering water from Kalasam. These elephants represent huge rain bearing clouds. And Lakshmi is also called the daughter of the ocean, Alaimagal, Ksheerabdhikanya, Kshira Samudra Rajatanaya. So, all these visuals and discussions kind of gave an insight that maybe we are worshipping the rains and the prosperity it brings. And Varalakshmi Nombu also falls on the Friday nearest to the Paurnami in the month of Avani or the Shravan Purnima, which coincides with the monsoons. So it all kind of seemed a thanksgiving um, to Goddess Lakshmi for the food she gives and the wealth she gives us to do our dharma, to do our duties as householders. On Varalakshmi Vradam day, um, like in any other puja, first worship is made to Manjal Pillayar, that is Ganesha made with turmeric paste, and the nari full of or the measure full of rice and jaggery denote plenty, and the solagu or muram is full of saubhagyam, that is auspicious things like vettrilai paku, that is the tambulam, betel nut and leaves, flowers, akshadai, manjal kungumam, coins, manjal charadu, bangles, and the kadolai, which is actually palm leaf rolled like a earring, which was used in to keep inside the earlobes during earlier days. And Maakolam is made on the Vradam day. Maakolam is made with the rice flour. My mother usually draws the eight petal lotus, that is Ashtadala Padmam, and writes Shri Maishwaryam inside it. Um, the Naivedyam or the offerings given on this day vary from household to household. I have shown Vadai, Modagam, and Chakare Pongal. In Madhva homes, they first perform puja to the Tulasi Madam and Salagramam. The kolam in front of the Tulasi Madam is the one drawn on Fridays. The kalasam is kept in a mandapam, well decorated mandapam. Usually, plantain trees are tied to it, that is Varai Maram, And pootoranams are tied, that is the flower strings. The pot is well decorated. Actually, lots of jewelry is put over the kalasam. I've shown the lotus garland because she is Padma Maladhara. The Vilvam tree, the Bale tree itself is seen as Lakshmi. So that is the one shown over the Visiripare. Sun and moon are the symbols of eternity. It's a full moon day, and Lakshmi's eyes shower Indranilamani, which is the raindrops shown here. So this is Varalakshmi, a composite form of Visiripare, Srivatsam, and the Kalasam, resulting from our Chitra Prakranam sessions. Lakshmi as Prakriti, Vikriti, Nityapushta, Dhanadanyakari, Sarvabhuta Hitaprada, Lord Vishnu's Daya, the mercy he literally showers on us. Happy to share my experience with you, eager to share more such. Thank you.